Hey guys, I'm here today to show you how to retrofit an old incandescent jam jar with an RDA lighting DVAKSX-LED 14. Alright guys, we're going to start by removing the old device so we can install the retrofit. So first you want to basically untwist the old cage. Removing the jar. And then basically you're going to remove the two screws holding this lamp holder in. Now you can do this with an impact or by hand. And disconnect your joints. So this is the DVAKSX-LED 14 retrofit, or basically that old incandescent we were talking about. This has your normal leads, but it also has 0 to 10 volt dimming as well as an option. Now first, I'll start by installing the gasket. Now there's 3 gaskets in here. 2 you have to basically sandwich to the box, and then 1 is going to be once you actually install it. So first we'll basically get this screwed in. Alright, so I've installed the first gasket. I'm now installing the second gasket. You'll notice on the second gasket there's 2 holes that are bigger and 2 holes that are smaller. So the 2 holes are smaller, you basically want to tighten those all the way. The other 2, just to properly seat the gasket, you want just enough that it'll hold it tight to the bracket. So we'll get that going now. Okay, so now they're flat, so it'll seat properly. So now I'm going to work on my terminations. Now you have 2 options to basically finish your terminations on this. You could go to your original style jam jar, or you can go with the new style plastic lens that will just screw on the top.